Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2020 Hyundai Tucson and I'm going to show you how to release the shift lock release. Now this mechanism's there so that if you've got the car running and you might have kids in the car or other people in the car, they can't accidentally knock the shifter into drive, reverse or neutral. So it actually sticks it in the park position. Now this isn't very good if you run out of battery or you're having an electrical fault on the car. You may need to get it into neutral so you can safely tow the car. So all we're going to do is get something like a flat object, like a screwdriver. We're going to pop it in this little hole there that just says shift lock release and just pull that out. And then what we're going to do is get the same screwdriver, just push that in and push that down. Now this will actually allow you to move the shifter into the neutral position. You can now tow the car once you've got the keys in the ignition, the steering lock's unlocked, and then once you get to your new location you can just move that back into park and the shift lock is back on. Obviously just remember to pick up your plastic piece like this and just pop that back in as well. So that's how easy it is to operate the shift lock release on a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.